The following program is rated TV MA-LSV. It contains strong language, sexual situations, and violence. It is intended only for mature audiences.
Well, this is a good day to be on a boat and sea fishing with the boys, drinking whiskey and talking shit about the United States government.
The thing we didn't invite Scat to ruin it with his anti-correction and other finishes, and I did spy Scat committing incest with his mother in the shower.
You sniper! Did he really do that? That's fucking disgusting!
Oh yeah, I've seen so many other things Scat has done to make me puke, so I think it's best if we keep that.
And the other guys, I've seen some shit. I'm just glad it's just Mario Ganondorf. Waluigi Mario King BBB. Son Pablo de Luigi just I don't know why BBB took this song. Plus, I did tell you guys I wanted to invite my sister Zena, but she wasn't interested.
That would be nice to have a, well, somewhat normal woman on board, so it wouldn't be a complete sausage party. Because, well, take a look at us.
That's true. It's still bad that she wasn't an option on 15R. That would be interesting to make a few memes out of. Might not be easy to do so, but it's still interesting.
Let's just catch as many fish as we catch.
Yes, sir!
Waluigi time!
Luigi!
What the fuck? Holy shit! There's a lot of fish jumping out of the water!
Luigi just fell overboard!
How the fuck did Luigi sink that deep into the sea? Tell me